Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make bread patties. First, gather stale bread, milk, egg, herbs, salt, and oil and soak the bread until soft. Squeeze excess liquid, mix with seasoning, shape into patties, chill briefly, then pan fry in medium oil until golden and crisp. Serve with yogurt or chutney and enjoy warm, simple comfort food that rescues leftovers and feeds a crowd every single time. Start by tearing bread into small pieces and soaking it in milk until pliable. Add beaten egg, chopped onion, herbs, salt, and pepper to taste, and mix until combined but not soupy. If mixture feels too wet, add a small amount of flour or breadcrumbs to bind. If too dry, splash more milk. Let the mix rest for 5 to 10 minutes so flavors meld before shaping and frying for best texture. Form the patties gently to keep air pockets for a light texture, compacting only enough to hold shape. Heat a skillet with 2 tablespoons of oil over medium heat and fry patties for 3 to 4 minutes per side, pressing lightly to ensure even contact. Drain briefly on paper towel and season while hot. Serve with a squeeze of lemon or your favorite sauce for brightness and a satisfying crunch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.